What's going on, beautiful people? My name's Anastasia Matias, and on my YouTube channel, I help you grow and become the best version of yourself. And today, I'm gonna be helping you guys plan your day successfully so you can have an amazing day full of clarity and you can have direction so that every single day isn't just a run-on sentence. Now, you definitely wanna subscribe and hit the bell button so that you can get notified when I post next week, because I'm gonna be talking about how to actually get things done throughout the day, even if you are a procrastinator. Because I get it, sis. Sometimes you wait till the last minute, and I'm gonna give you guys all the goods so that that doesn't happen anymore. Now, this really isn't gonna take that long because this is just a small habit that I do every single day. It doesn't take me that long to do, but it has changed the game for me, okay? I used to not plan my day. I used to have a planner where I used to write down a couple things that I needed to get done throughout the week, but I never really got things done like that because all I saw was things that I needed to get done, and I didn't give myself times where I needed to get them done, which changed the game for me. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I do every day to make sure that my day is planned out successfully. My first step is to take some time the night before to really reflect on the day that you've already had. Think about the things that you got done, think about a couple things that you need to get done tomorrow and jot them down, and really just reflect and rest. I love this time. It's just so fun to think about all the things you got done and reflect on your day. These are all really simple steps, guys, but implementing the small things can make a huge difference in your life. Number 2, get a journal or get a Google Doc on your computer or whatever you like to use to write lists, and just write down every single thing you know you need to get done, whether it be things that you need to get done that day, things you have to remember that week. Mostly that day, right? Because we're planning our day. But it's great to write down everything that you know you need to get done so that you can see it instead of thinking about it. I know what it's like to have so many things in our brain that we know that we have to get done, and then we just don't want to do any of it because it's just like we think it's so much and we're like, how are we gonna be able to do this? So just write it all out and just really mind vomit everything you need to get done. Or you can also type it out on a Google Doc. I like to do mine physically, but typing it out is totally fine. It really just helps you see everything differently. I love this step, and it's really freeing to just see everything on paper and you're like, okay, cool, so now I can tackle this. Now, step number 3 is time blocking. I'm gonna take you guys over to my whiteboard and share with you guys how I time block things throughout the day so that I have so much clarity and direction. I am dead serious. I love doing this in the mornings because what it does for me is it helps me set my day up where I feel like, wow, this is actually possible. I'm giving myself time to do these things. I'm allotting time to it, and now I feel like everything is possible throughout the day. So what you want to do is make sure that you're setting yourself enough time for everything. In the mornings, I have my morning routine. You know, shower, brush your teeth, everything like that, and then also read the Bible, pray, read my current book right now, which is Atomic Habits. So that's like my simple morning routine right now. I'm working on a better morning routine, but that's it for now for me. So let's say I give myself from 8 to 10 for morning routine. And if you put things like morning routine, or you put things like washing your dishes and things like that on your list, you're gonna feel really accomplished after you do things like that too. Just small, minute things like making your bed and stuff like that. You feel accomplished when you do things, and then you can mark it off your list. So then I'm gonna finish my illustrations for my business. I'm gonna give myself from 10 to 11 to do that, and then from 11 to 1:30 homework, from 1:30 to 3:30. Okay, I don't have to do the whole entire thing because you guys understand where I'm going with that. It's just taking time to allot every single thing that you do, and I'm not talking about the specifics because you have your specifics in your list that you made, which is why I love having the list. But you can just write down in big bold thing on your whiteboard what exactly you need to get done so that you have a outline that helps you have clear direction throughout your day. And you guys, I'm telling you, doing this is so helpful. It's just having those small habits that help you get 1% better every single day that change the game for you. I promise you, you're gonna feel so much more productive, and you're gonna be a lot more productive when you actually have a plan for your day. I'm not just talking about a list of what you gotta do, but actually time blocking things so that you can be productive throughout your day. I hope you guys learned something from this. I hope you guys become more productive by adding this small habit into your morning every single day so that you can be more productive and you can have an amazing year. So I love you guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time.